In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up direct deposit on Revolut. By the end, you'll know exactly where to find your banking details in the app, how to share them correctly with payroll, and what to expect when your first paycheck hits your account. Start by opening the Revolut app on your phone. Make sure you're on the latest version so all the right options appear and that you're logged into the correct profile. If you use a passcode or biometrics, keep those enabled for security. A stable internet connection will help everything load quickly. Next, find your account details. From your main balance screen, choose the account you want your salary to land in. If you're paid in a local currency, pick that specific currency account so the funds arrive without conversion. Look for a section labeled Details or Account Details. Depending on your region, you'll see information such as a routing number, an account number, a sort code, an account number, or an IBAN and BIC. Double check that the name on the account matches your legal name used by your employer, and take a moment to copy these numbers carefully. Many users like to screenshot or download a deposit letter if the app provides one, which can simplify payroll setup. Now share those details with your employer or payroll provider. Enter the numbers exactly as shown in the app, paying attention to any required fields like account type if prompted. If your workplace allows split deposits, decide whether you want the full paycheck to go to Revolut or just a portion. When sending details digitally, use a secure channel your employer recommends or hand in a printed form if that's their process. A quick review before submitting can prevent delays caused by typos. After that, wait for the first deposit. Payroll changes don't always take effect immediately, so it may take 1 or 2 pay cycles to show up. Some employers run a small test deposit first. If that happens, you'll see it in your transactions. Turn on notifications in Revolut so you're alerted the moment funds arrive, and keep an eye on the expected payday in case your employer has a cutoff date for changes. Finally, confirm regular payments. Once your first salary lands, check the amount, currency, and pay period description. If everything looks good on the next payday too, you're all set. For peace of mind, you can set a reminder to glance at your transaction history on each pay date. If something doesn't look right, reach out to your payroll department with the same account details you shared earlier.